Hi everyone, it's me again, Titser Jay, and welcome to another episode of learning. Today's video, ang i-discuss natin ay on how to find equation of the line given x and y intercept. So again, ang hahanapin natin ngayon is yung equation ng line. Ang given naman ay yung x and y intercept. So ang formula na gagamitin natin para mapadali yung pagkuha natin ng equation ng line given yung x and y intercept, ito yon. Y is equal to negative b over ax plus b. So parang etong formula na ito ay the same lang dito sa y is equal to mx plus b. Yung m na yan, that is our slope, is equal to negative b over a. So ito yung gagamitin natin para mapadali yung pagkuha natin ng equation ng line. Okay, given yung x and y intercept. So para mas maintindihan, let's have this first example. The x and y intercepts of the line are 3 or negative 3 and positive 4 respectively. Find the equation of the line. So ito yung given natin. Yung x intercept natin dyan is negative 3 and yung y intercept natin ay positive 4. Okay? And solution, using this formula, y is equal to negative b over ax plus b. So, paano natin ma-identify kung saan yung a, saan yung b dito sa x and y intercept? Yung y intercept natin, tatandaan natin ito, yung y intercept natin, that is our b. Okay? Yung x intercept natin, that is our a. Ayan. So, substitute lang natin yung value ng a at saka b dito sa ating formula. Okay? So, we have y is equal to negative. So, wag na natin kakalimutan yung negative dyan. Negative times ang value ng b natin ay 4. All over, ang value ng a natin ay negative 3. And then, copy x plus ang b ulit natin ay 4. So, simplify natin. Y is equal to negative times 4 yan. So, negative 4 po yun. So, negative times 4, that is equal to negative 4 all over negative 3x plus 4. Simplify natin ito kasi negative 4 divided by negative 3, that is equal to 4 over 3x plus 4. So, we have y is equal to 4 thirds x plus 4. And ito na po yung slope intercept form natin. Okay? Para makuha din yung ating standard form ng ating equation, using this, y is equal to 4 thirds x plus 4. Kunin lang natin yung LCD niyan. Ang LCD niyan ay 3. Okay? So, yung LCD, multiply natin both sides. So, 3 times y, that is equal to 3y, is equal to 3 times 4 thirds x, or 4 over 3x times 3, so that is equal to 4x, plus 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Ngayon, i-arrange natin yan sa form na ax plus by is equal to c. So, transpose nyo lang yung positive 4x dito to left side, so it becomes negative 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. Or, this is 4x minus 3y is equal to negative 12. So, this is now our standard form of the equation. So, let's have another example. A is equal to 2, b is equal to negative 7. So, yung b dito, this is our y-intercept, and yung a dyan, that is our x-intercept. We are going to find the equation of the line. So, again, using this formula, y is equal to negative b or negative b over ax plus b. Substitute nyo lang yung value ng a at saka b. So, we have y is equal to negative. Huwag yung kakalimutan yung negative dyan. Ang value ng b natin ay negative 7. All over, ang value ng a natin is positive 2. And then, huwag din kakalimutan yung x na nandito sa ating formula. Minus ang value ng b kasi natin is negative 7. So, minus 7 po yan. Simplify natin. Negative times negative 7. That is equal to positive 7. Alright? All over 2. X minus 7. And, this is now our slope intercept form. Y is equal to 7 over 2x minus 7. Then, kunin din natin yung standard form. Okay, simply get the LCD. Ang LCD natin dito ay 2. Okay, so simply multiply both sides of the LCD. Okay, so we have 2 times y is equal to 2y. And then 2 times 7 over 2x, that is simply 7x. And then 2 times negative 7, that is equal to negative 14. Ayan, now, ang gagawin natin is arrange natin yan into standard form, or simply transpose positive 7x here to left side. So it becomes negative 7x plus 2y is equal to negative 14. Or simply 7x minus 2y minus 14. Multiply ko lang po ng negative 1 on both sides para maging positive yung aking value ng a. So 7x minus 2y is equal to positive 14. And this is now our standard form.